Scallop toolpaths calculate the distance between offset passes in all three dimensions. So these toolpaths measure the distance between stepovers or offsets along the topology of the model, and not just two dimensions. Some toolpaths, such as Scallop toolpaths, support additional options such as input chains, which help influence the shape of the 3D offset passes. In Mastercam 2023 and earlier, we've had the ability to guide the toolpath using wireframed lines, arcs, and splines. In Mastercam 2024, we've added the ability to add a point now as a curve. In this toolpath, this is just a standard toolpath with no curves. You can see the shape might be desirable in some cases, and it might not be in other cases. If I go into the next toolpath, and we've added the input change as 2 points, you can see the difference between the toolpaths, which may give a better, more desirable finish. In the last toolpath, we've calculated with a tighter step over, and you can see the results turning on a stock model, that it gives a much better surface finish using the points. So in Mastercam 2024, they've added point support now. That's new in Mastercam 2024.